Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now. And as you can see that I have got many lines are drawn on the chart unlike the previous video. So let me explain one by one so that you do not get confused. Okay, so after that we'll be jumping to the strategy part. So first and foremost, I would like to talk about the resistance line or this trend line. If you have watched my previous videos on GBP JPY, then you know it very well that we have a trend line in the form of a resistance for quite some time, and we can see that yesterday, okay, on Friday, market did give us a breakout. Market broke the resistance, but ultimately market faced some selling pressure again, and market is trading below the resistance line. Therefore the resistance line or this trend line is still a valid resistance for the GBP JPY. So if you have already drawn this trend line on your chart, then I'll request you, please do not remove the trend line. We still the trend line still has got some importance. Okay, so the trend line is still as a acting as a resistance for the market. Clear? So apart from this resistance, the next important level on the chart of GBP JPY is the 151.40 level. 151.40 level is important because this is acting as a support for the market. To be honest, there is no proper logic behind why this level is acting as a such an important support for GBP JPY. Previously, this level was acting as a resistance for the market, and right now the same resistance has become the support for the market. The resistance has become the support, and right now you can see that market is respecting this line as a or this level as a support for the market. So this trend line is the resistance for the market, and this level 151.40 is a support for the market. Clear? So apart from these two levels, we also have a trend line. Okay, we also have a trend line after three touches acting as a new support for the market. This trend line is also acting as a support for the market. So this is the second support or next support for the market. If you do not have these lines on your charting platform, then my dear friends, I'll request you to draw this line so that you can understand the market better and also do proper analysis. And apart from these three lines, we have a support, strong support at 149.50 level. That level is not required for Monday or Tuesday, so I won't be talking in detail. Clear? So three important levels are the resistance level at the top and these two support lines at the bottom. Clear? So as you can see that during the last trading session, market faced some selling pressure during the last closing hours, and right now market is trading in the middle. So if you have already short the market and you are in profit right now, then enjoy the profit. You don't need to do anything. But if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then I'll say that let the market open on Monday and then observe the market, because see, we know it very well that after the market opening on Monday, there is not much volatility in general. Okay, market usually stays flat, market usually stays dull during the first initial hours. So let the market open on Monday and just see where the price goes. In case price goes up from here, listen to me carefully, in case price goes up from here, then just observe the price, how the price reacts or does near the resistance line. In case price reverses from the resistance line, in case you find market forming shooting star kind of a pattern at the resistance line, then you'll get the confirmation that the resistance line, the trend line, is still a valid resistance for the market, and you can short the market immediately. On the other hand, if you find market going up from here, then you'll get another opportunity to short the market at 152.50 level, because this is also a temporary resistance for the market. So you'll get an opportunity to short the market at 152.50 if market breaks this trend line. Clear? and always wait for the confirmation. Yes, confirmation is extremely important because these support and resistance levels are not permanent, they are temporary. So if market goes up, you need to short the market at the trend line or at the 152.50 level. Clear? Okay. So your next important level is, in case market goes down or comes down after the market opening on Monday, you just need to observe the price at the trend line. So if you find market taking support at the trend line and trying to bounce, then you can go for a buy. How you'll buy? You will get a confirmation in the form of a hammer, price rejection from below, or a green candle like bullish engulfing pattern. Once you get a confirmation that market is respecting the trend line as a valid support, just click on the buy button. On the other hand, if market breaks the trend line, then there is an immediate support available at 151.40 level. This line is the immediate support for the market and will be acting as a next support in case market fails to take support at the trend line. So there is a good possibility that market will be bouncing either from the trend line or from the 151.40 level in case market sees some um, selling, okay, on Monday. And in case market goes up, you know what you need to do on Monday. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you're interested in knowing further, just go to the pro trader section here and you'll get all the information here. Please go through it. And this is it. Hopefully I've understood. See ya on Monday again. Bye bye. Take care.